everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J, and today I'm going to be doing a fall essentials beauty look. And I selected some products from my collection to create this look because I am in love with fall. Fall is my favorite season. What season do you know that has two different names for it? So I'm always excited when it's time to pull out these type tones and these type products. And I wanted to give you all a look that represented my feelings for the season of autumn. And I'm also doing this video in collaboration with Sephora. So thank you so much, Sephora, for partnering with me again. You all know I love Sephora and I shop there on a daily basis. I am a Rouge member at Sephora, and that is a part of their Beauty Insider system, which is free to sign up and do. And I encourage anybody and everybody to do so, because when you sign up to be a member of Sephora's Beauty Insider program, you unlock an entire world of different promotions as well as different rewards, and it's different tiers. So the first tier is the Beauty Insider, and that's what everybody starts out as. And then once you spend $350 in a calendar year, you become a VIB member, which is a very important Beauty Insider member. And then once you spend $1,000 per calendar year or more, like me, you become a Rouge member and you get access to so many different things. So it's always beneficial to sign up and start getting points, and those points can be used for a plethora of different things. So I always love shopping at Sephora because Sephora always has the things that I like. I'm always on the app late at night like, on that just arrived section looking to see what's new. I will have a link for you all to sign up for their Beauty Insider program down in my description box, as well as information about everything that I used in this video down in the description box, linked for your convenience. So let's go ahead and jump into it, and I hope that you all enjoy. I have to see some color on my face, lickety split, so I'm going in with my foundation first, and this one is the NARS foundation, the Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I'm going to just take it like on my face, you know, just a little bit, just a little shrink. Like so, and blend that in. This is such a pretty full coverage matte foundation. The description is so spot on, with it being a soft matte foundation, so it is not drying. It is very velvety in its application, and I love it. It is a very beautiful full glam foundation that still lets your skin look like skin. And a lot of you all love a good matte foundation for the cooler months, so it's important to have a good one that doesn't make you look cakey, and it doesn't make your skin look any drier than it needs to. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. This is the Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer, and I just love this one because it has a very beautiful satin finish, and it gives a nice amount of coverage, and it makes my under eye just look smooth, and that's what I love so much about it. So I'm just going to blend that out with a sponge, and then make sure that everything is seamless and fused together. But honestly, this concealer does a lot of the work to make sure that it's smooth, because the formulation of it, it is so silky. I love it. So no matter what season it is, I have to set with some powder. So I'm going to take my Laura Mercier loose powder and set my under eye with that. And I'm going to use the shade Honey today because it is one of my newest favorites, because it's for me. Y'all know my foundation shade pretty much always is something honey. And so when I saw they were coming out with this powder, I was like, that is heaven sent. It was made specifically for Kelsee, and I love the way that it sets my under eye. It just brightens me up, and it locks in that concealer. Now to set all over, I'm going to take the Shiseido Synchro Skin pressed powder and dab that all over. This powder is so silky. I mean, the way that it sets your makeup is just, woo! It's hot fire. Now I must go in with some lip balm, and this one is by Summer Fridays. This is called the Lip Butter Balm. My lips are dry. I need them to be hydrated and moisturized as best as possible, so a good lip balm will really take my lips to the next level and prepare them for whatever I want to do at the end of the makeup application. So this is a must. And I really like this one because do y'all see how glossy this is? You can definitely wear this on its own just to get a nice pout. Mwah. So let me zoom you all in and let's do our eyes. Before we jump into the eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Hourglass Veil Eye Primer just to prime and prep my eyes. So I'm just going to take just a dab of that. And that's probably enough to do both of my eyes, honestly. And let's blend that out. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with two different palettes today. I'm going to take the Master Mattes by Mario and the Pat McGrath Celestial Divinity palette. But I'm going to go into the Master Mattes palette first and create a base for my eye look. To start off, I'm going to dip into this shade with the blending brush in the Mario palette. And I'm going to take this shade above my crease as my transition color. So back and forth. I love some brown eyeshadows in the crease. To me, that is just a staple forever, but definitely for a fall look. And then when we get into these warm tones, yes. So next I gotta go into this richer color and move on down and apply that directly in the crease up underneath the transition shade. So back and forth. Let's get this color going. And it definitely is going on a lot darker than it looks in the pan. So go in with a little bit of a lighter hand. So just back and forth. Yes, get that nice rich color going. And then blend it out. Next, I'm going to go into Celestial Divinity. And I'm going to take this color right here. Very carefully, I'm going to pat that on the outer corner. Yes, I am. Now I'm going to go into Corruption. I'm going to pack that right next to it, more so on the lid, up to the crease. If you turn your head, it gives you a little bit of a garnet. And then if you turn it another way, it gives you a burnt gold color. That's what I like about it. And I'm going to go into Galactic Gold and pop that on the inner portion and then blend it over. That looks so pretty and fallish. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner using the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes eyeliner. Mascara, and I'm going to go in with Benefit Bad Gal Bang. Comb those lashes out, girl. I love this mascara. It gives you length and definition, and that's what I love. A nice separated, elongated lash. But that's not to say I'm not still going to put on lashes, because I definitely am. These are the Anastasia So Hollywood lashes that I'm about to pop on my lids. These days, a nice pair of dramatic lashes are so necessary to be able to make your eyes pop above that mask. Now let's go back and finish our eyes. So I'm going to go back into this gold shade, re-intensify, and then take it on the bottom on the inner corner, like so. And then I'm going to go into this shade right here at the top, pop that in the middle. Okay. And then go back with this shade right here. Close off the lower lash line with that and then wrap it around. Yes. So now let me finish off the rest of my face. And I'm going to do some bronzer. Let's dip into the Gucci bronzer. I have the shade 03. Bronze up my face. One of my favorite parts of the makeup application. Concealer and bronzer just do it for me. For highlight, I'm going to take the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude Glow highlighter. Oh, it's so pretty, this design. Just as everything. So pretty. For blush, I'm going to dab into Charlotte Tilbury Ecstasy. Just a little bit, you know. Tie it all together. I need that glow, you know, that little extra glow. So I'm going to take the Hourglass Veil Setting Spray, which is one of my absolute favorites. Like, y'all, I beat this thing up. It is so dinged up, but I love it. Now let me go ahead and remove my lip balm. Get this lip liner going. I'm taking Charlotte Tilbury's Foxy Brown. And then let's go in with Tower 28 Almond. I love a neutral brown gloss for any season, but especially for fall. So this is pretty much the entire look. Hang on one second. And here is my finished look. I love it. Love it. I hope that you all enjoyed my video using some of my fall essentials that you all can pick up from Sephora. And again, special thank you to Sephora for partnering with me. You all know I love and shop at Sephora all of the time. And so every time they reach out to me, I'm always super honored. And I enjoy creating this look. Let me know some of your fall favorites down in the comments section. For me, fall is just all about warm tones, things that are just sultry, and I feel like the products that I selected today gave it to you. It's just a universal fall winter makeup look that dazzles. And if you want to take it to the next level, you absolutely can. You can go in with a vampier lip than this. You could go in with more glitter on the eyelid on top of what we've already done and just glam it up as you see fit. Or even if you want to glam it down a little bit, you can use these same tones and go in a little bit more light-handed and you'll get the same effect. I will have links to where you all can purchase all of these products from Sephora down in the description box. So definitely check that out. And I will check you all in my very next video, which will be super, super soon. Smooches. Bye.